In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort by highest percentage in Google Sheets. So as you can see in the sample spreadsheet, we have here list of decimals. So what we're going to do first is we're going to convert this into percentage value. So to do that, simply select and highlight the range of cells where the percentage are located. In here, after selecting and highlighting in the tools, click the icon for format as percent. This will then automatically convert the decimals into percentage. Now, to sort this by the highest value, after selecting and highlighting, simply navigate to data. And in data, go to sort range and click the sort range by column A to Z, Z to A, which means highest to lowest. When you click this will automatically sort the percentage value to the highest level. And that's about it. That's how to sort by highest percentage in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.